हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू कोर्स डिजिटल। आज हम लोग कोन और सिलेंडर का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करेंगे। जैसे कि पिछले वीडियो में आप देखे थे, कोन और सिलेंडर को लेके हम लोग बेसिक डिस्कस किए थे। तो आज हम लोग उसी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है। बेसिकली आज हम लोग 3 टाइप का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट होगा एक सॉलिड सिलेंडर और सिंपल सिलेंडर को लेके। सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम होगा एक हॉलो सिलेंडर को लेके। एंड थर्ड प्रॉब्लम हम लोग कोन से सॉल्विंग करेंगे, ठीक है। चलिए फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में दिया है द होल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए सिलेंडर इज गिवन एज 2002 centimeter square. So this is a cylinder. Now the whole surface area is given as 2002 centimeter square. So A equals to this is the radius of the base. The midpoint. So the hole is the diameter, this is the radius, this is the height. Okay, now diameter is given as 14 centimeter. So if we know the diameter, we can easily find out the radius. So therefore radius would be 7 centimeter. It's obviously half of the diameter. So now we have to find out the total volume of the cylinder. Okay, now to find out the volume, we know that the surface area equals to whole surface area equals to how much? We know that 2 pi r into r plus l. This is the formula of the whole surface area of a cylinder. Now अगर आपको ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आया है पता नहीं होगा, तो आप जाके पिछले वीडियो में जब हम लोग सिलेंडर को लेके डिस्कस किए थे वहां पे जाके आप देख लीजिए। सो दिस इज 2002 इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई इंटू आर इज 7 इंटू 7 प्लस एल। ओके, सो it's 14 pi into 7 plus L. Now 7 plus L equals to, it will be 2002 divided by 14 pi. Okay, now come to this side. 7 plus L equals to, so after solving this it will come to be there 45.54. okay, now L equals to 45.54 minus 7, so that will be 38.54. so this is the height, that means h, or we can replace it as L. okay, so we have find out the height and we have to find out the volume. So we know radius, we know the height, so we can easily find out the volume of the cylinder. So R is 7 and L is 38.54. so therefore volume of the cylinder equals to, what is the formula? Pi r square L. This is the formula of the volume. So equals to pi into 7 square, that means 49, into 38.54. so after calculating it comes out to be 5929.76. centimeter cube. Now that's the answer. So what we basically did is that we have find out the height from that formula of area, and thereafter we put the value of L in the formula of volume, where we already know the radius R. Okay, so first problem has been solved. Now move to the second problem. The second problem is from hollow cylinder, and the outer radius is given as 5 centimeter and inner radius is given as 4 centimeter. So number 2, so that's a hollow cylinder. Okay, now this point to this point, this is the outer radius. Okay, this is the outer radius, and from that point to that point is the inner radius. So this is given as, this R is given as 5 centimeter and inner radius is given as 4 centimeter. Okay, now the surface area is given. The surface area of the cylinder is 1188 centimeter square. Surface area is 1188 centimeter square. Okay, so we have to find out the height. So first of all, the formula of whole surface area of a hollow cylinder, I write it down here. Sorry. Plus so that's the formula of the whole surface area of a hollow cylinder. So equals to 1188. So if you have problem that where from this formula came, just go to our previous video of cylinder and find it out. We have derived it, so just check it out in the previous video. Now put the values here. 2 pi L R plus R, that means 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 4 plus 2 pi, it's 5 square 25 minus 4 square, that means 16, equals to 1188. So 9 into 2, that means 18 pi L plus, this is 9 into 2, 18 pi, 18 pi equals to 1188. Now take 18 pi as common, so left out will be L plus 1. So I am doing it here. So L plus 1 equals to, now L plus 1 equals to 1188 by 18 pi. Now after calculating this, L plus 1 equals to 21. So L equals to 21 minus 1, that means 20. Okay, so therefore height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. This is the height of the cylinder. Okay, so this is our answer. So it's pretty easy. We have to just follow the procedure. Now we will move forward to the next problem, that is from cone. So number 3. So let us draw the cone first. So this is the radius of the base, this is the height, and this is the slant height. Okay, slant height. Now diameter of the base is given as 21 meter. Diameter of the base is 21 meter. So therefore R is basically 21 by 2, that means 10.5 meter. Okay. Now height is given as, height is already given 14 meter. So the problem is basically about finding the cost of cloth required to wrap this cone if the cost per meter square of cloth is rupees 1.5. So cloth cost is rupees 1.5 per meter square, and we have to wrap this cone and not its base. It is given in the question. So when you read the question, just read it carefully. In this question, the base is not being asked to wrap, only the slant. The slant area we have to wrap. Okay, without its base. So we have to find out the surface area first, because to wrap the cloth is basically wrapping the surface area of the cone. So the surface area equals to, pi r l. This is the surface area formula of a cone. Now L we don't know. This slant height can be also denoted as L or S. It's your choice. So I am denoting here as L. Okay. So L is a slant height. Now we don't know L. We know R and we know H. So we have to first of all find out L. L equals to root over of H square plus R square. So equals to root over of H means 14 square. So 196 plus R square, that means 10.5 square. Equals to, now 10.5 square, if you do just calculate it, it will comes to be 110.25. So equals to 306.25. So if we calculate this value, it will be 17.5. Okay, so we get the slant height L. Now just put it on formula. So pi into R means 10.5 into 7 equals to, now again calculate this, and it comes out to be 577.267 meter square. Okay, now we have find out the surface area. So if the cost of per meter square of cloth is rupees 1.5, so cost of 1 meter square equals to 1.5. So rupees. So cost of 577.267 meter square equals to rupees 1.5 into 577.267. So equals to, if we multiply this, it is 865.9. Okay, that means approximately it is rupees 866. This is the approximate sign, not equals to. Okay, so that's our answer. So we have basically find out the surface area first, and after finding the surface area, if the cost of per meter square of cloth is rupees 1.5, then the cost of this meter square of cloth will be that much. So we have basically done 3 types of problem. आज हम लोग 3 तरह का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए, एक सिंपल सिलेंडर का, एक हॉलो सिलेंडर का और एक कोन से। तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो फिर आप लाइक कीजिए वीडियो को। अगर कहीं पे आपको दिक्कत हो रहा है समझने में तो फिर कमेंट में लिखिए। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को और बेल आइकन को ऑल में रखिए ताकि कुछ डिजिटल चैनल से हर एक वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। जितना हो सके अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए, सबको हेल्पफुल हो जाए ये वीडियो। सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।